Once we realize that we are stuck, then we have a chance to be free and get unstuck. I finally realized again, truly realized, that I am stuck, and I'm lying to myself because I don't want to be here in Massachusetts. I want to be across the country. And I have a handful of excuses as to why I can't do that. Not right now, not anymore. But everything I could do here, or need to do here, I can do across the country. And once I come to that reality that I can leave, then you find out if you're a liar. Once you realize that you're really not stuck physically, and you can get up tomorrow, I could technically start driving right now. Right now, technically I could. That wouldn't be very wise. I got a job to do Monday and another job Friday. So those are monies I got to collect. And who knows what's to come Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. And anyways, point is, technically I have in my possession enough money to leave now and go across the country and go get a job. So let me bring you back with me over the last month or so. I've realized that if I'm going to have to work, it's a miserable idea working. I'm jealous of the people who have pensions and, retirements, and they can live this type of life and not have to worry about any type of income. They have money. Money is always flowing in. Very jealous of those people, because I don't want to worry about money anymore. I spent most of my life chasing money, and I love money. I got a very filthy relationship with money. It's dirty, it's unhealthy, it's bad. But breaking up with money, and I only need money to survive. And listen, I'm always gonna want things, things like mechanical things, electronic things, drones, cameras, lenses, microphones, and lights, and rims and tires on my van, and exhaust system, radios, and computers. This is just who I am. So after finally realizing that if I need to have a job, what kind of job would I really want? Without lying, without bullshitting myself. I could work at an auto parts store and be content, be quite happy. I can do that here. I can do that over there. I can do it down there. I can do it up there. I can work at an auto parts store anywhere. So, excuse number one, down. And then I realized, well, what would you do if you wanted something more like a career? Web development, computer design, coding, something around that nature. I've been playing and dabbling with tiny little bits of code for at least 15 years. And yeah, I just never really realized I was doing it. But I like it. I love it a lot, which requires a lot of studying and a lot of learning in order to be able to apply, improve yourself to a potential employer. Okay, well, don't make excuses and make that happen. Then you could have an actual career, potentially making anywhere from 40 to 6 digits while living in a van or an RV and working remotely. Make it happen. Well, I'm lazy. What did you say? I said I'm lazy. Are you admitting that? Yeah, I am. So no bullshit. You just no excuse. You're lazy. Yep, I'm admitting that to myself out loud. I'm lazy, and I push everything off because I just don't want to. I just want to play. I don't want to have to study and learn something, although I want to. I want to just absorb the information without having to do the work. It's a horrible disease. Being spoiled is just not a good life, man. Unless you have money, it's fine, but otherwise, not a good life. So, I came to these realities that I'm lazy. I already knew I was lazy, but I didn't really truly know I was lazy because I'm always doing something. And when I say lazy, I'm not just talking about laying down and stuffing Twinkies in my face, which I could do. Oh my God. I could literally commit suicide with pastry goods. Like, I could do it with McDonald's McFlurry. And pancakes from Burger King. Oh, God, help me. I need pancakes right now, and I can't get them. McDonald's doesn't even do their all-day breakfast menu anymore. Oh, God, I can taste all of it. I need about 50 pounds right now. Anyways, so once you become real with yourself, and you just stop lying, I think a massive amount of the population could live in a van, and they could live this life if they just were real. So here I am, stuck in Massachusetts, not wanting to be in Massachusetts, never wanting to be in Massachusetts, but I'm stuck. And I've been stuck for a long. I mean, I was physically stuck because my van was broke for the last 6 months. I obviously couldn't leave, and so then the van was unstuck, and I said, as soon as I get money, I'm out of here. Okay, well, I'm living up to that, because probably sometime in the month of May, I'll probably be gone. On the road. Oh, you guys will get lots of uploads then. Daily, you will be getting an upload. Lots and lots of uploads. But I don't, just for the record, I don't upload very consistently like I was, because I just feel like I don't have a quality content. And that's bad. I understand that's bad. And there are people who just enjoy listening to me speak. Whatever babble is coming out of my mouth, they enjoy it because that's just how humans operate. I do it with other people, and I'm aware of that, and I apologize. So, going forward, here I am. Another piece of that is I'm always trying to one-up my last video, which is really, it gets so out of control. I just snowball into this horrible rabbit hole of this. What are you talking about? This looks stupid. Like, okay, why don't you wait till tomorrow when it's daylight and sunny, and then you can really make a video. You can go over there, and I'm not gonna do those things, and then I get no video. But all the videos you guys know me from is just sitting in this van in this direction and me talking to a camera like I am right now. So I've been thinking about the stuck thing all week, and I mean, it's been more than a week, but I mean, like, really loud, high definition, I am stuck again, and I'm lying to myself. So this particular topic has been a thing, so I thought I'd share it. Yes, I'm stuck. I'm getting unstuck as we speak. I got a job to do Monday, do that, get the money. Job to do Friday, get that, get the money. I got a really nice, healthy job in order to get my new motor and put this van back on the road. If I got another job like that, I wouldn't even have to think about leaving. I would get the job be done, get the money, I'd be gone. Numbers changed, I'd be gone, never to be returned. Anyways, so back to what I was saying. I came up with the idea that simple living. I'm a minimalist, and I just never realized it, even though I lived in a van. I never, the term, I'm like, of course you are. Duh. You live in a van. You have minimal stuff. You're a minimalist. Obviously you don't need these things. Like, yeah, you're right. That's okay. I'm a minimalist. What else am I? And then I realized I don't need careers and big, giant, 6-figure salaries that most people think they do. I always thought I did, and I don't. Not even a little bit. I need enough money so I don't have to worry about money. I always have money. I can tinker. I can, afford to buy a speaker or, maybe a camera lens if I save up, and I'm okay with that. I like that. So I came up with auto parts, which I can do anywhere in the country, and computer programming, where I can definitely do anywhere. Again, a lot of studying, a lot of learning. That's a road, right? That's more of a goal. But for everyday real life, right here, right now, how do I get out of my situation? Simple. 1, be real. What's being real? It means what could you do and you'd be satisfied enough doing that where you'd be okay mentally. You'd be okay. You'd be good. Well, I could work in an auto parts store and make that little salary and be okay. I'm surrounded by things I like. I'm in that environment of something I love, and I get a paycheck from it, and I can do it anywhere in the country. So that frees me. I'm gonna start talking again. This is the 4th time I re-recorded. I'm gonna shut up. But I promise more uploads. Tomorrow I got a whole nother topic, which I was gonna make a topic right now. We'll talk about that tomorrow. And yeah, I just realized people like hearing me speak. And I'm always trying to one-up my video, and that's not going to work. And I'm not saying I won't try to make, up my video game. I do. I make really great videos, but when I'm editing them, I'm like, you ruin the video by talking. Either shut up or just talk. Trying to blend the two, making it all cinematic and documentary-like. It's like, they come out good, but they're so messy. I'm not going to redo all that. That's crazy. Sometimes I'll do a whole day on it. But that's it. being stuck. Just be real with yourself. Stop lying to yourself. For me, it was, I'm lazy. Just be real. Don't make excuses. Don't say you don't do that because. You didn't get that done today because you're lazy. There are things on my motor that need to be tweaked. From day one, before I ever left, before the van even was started, I completed that operation knowing it wasn't 100%. And then I tore it all apart to do it again. And I did it with a haste and this sucks. And, I just want to, no. And then tomorrow, I will do it with a peaceful mind, knowing it's hard. I don't want to do it, but I'm going to dedicate myself. I'm going to take it all apart. It's not a hurry up and get it done in an hour, get it out of your life. No, who cares if it takes 12 hours? Do it, get it done, so you never have to think about it ever again. Take it out of the equation. If you got 10 problems in your life, eliminate the problems one by one until you have no more problems. It's very simple logic. I say it to myself all the time. I never really say it to a camera. I never really preach it to people, but I do kind of in a curving way. Look, if you got 5 problems, just eliminate them until you have 0 problems. I know this. I don't live by it, and I want to start preaching that a little bit. Today's video is supposed to be living the lifestyle in a van with a minimalistic mindset compared to I wish I had and this and that and a third, and that horn's going to drive me crazy, so I'm out.